Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your buddy Technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this. It's a 32-inch LED TV from Kodak, and you know that Kodak used to build the cameras and films and all the stuff, and after that Kodak disappeared from the market, and then after a long time Kodak is back with their new products, LED TV. So I wanted to try this, and for the first time I'm going to use this Kodak TV, and I don't even know how it's going to perform. Well, I bought it from Amazon, and this thing cost me, okay, this is the invoice at the top, you can see. Let me take it out. Okay, so this thing cost me 9,499, which is pretty much less for a 32-inch TV, and also this is not an ordinary TV, it's a smart TV, so this price is nothing compared to that. Now the question is how good it's going to perform, and the picture quality and the connections and the Android and a lot of stuff to explore. So I bought it from Amazon, and there I found very good reviews, the overall very good reviews, so that's why I bought it, and today I've got it delivered. So let's open it up and we'll see. Well, let me tell you that this is rainy season, and still they just delivered this raw packing box. This is the company box. There is no plastic wrapping or anything. The box's condition is not so well, you can see at the bottom here, but still it's okay. And let's see, if the product inside is fine, then nothing matters. Alright, so the back it like this, you can see the duct tape here, and on this side, this is the backing. So let's check the product, and nothing else in the box. Alright, so this is the packing inside with a duct tape. Now let's cut it out. Okay, what is this? This is wall mount, I guess. Yep. So this is the wall mount, and I need this because I need to mount it on the wall. So you get a wall mount in the packing. And what else we get here? Alright, you can see this is the remote, and these two are the stands. This is the user manual. Let's take them out. There they are. This is the remote, and no batteries included. This is the user manual, and this is the warranty card. This is the customer care number. So that's it, that's all we get inside. Oh, my bad, got the batteries inside this packet, so nice. Now let's check the main item. This one packing is nice, very nice. Here is the power card. Alright, so this is the TV, this is the front side, and see the Kodak logo here, and there is also a protection sheet, you can see. So after you install the TV wherever you want, then you can remove that. And on the right side you can see this is the place for LED light and the remote sensor. And this is a tiny nice transparent plastic thing here, just pop out from this body, and this thing looks kind of funny. Alright, now let's take a look at the back. Alright, so you can see XC32, that's the model I guess. Kodak LED TV, this is the model number. And at the bottom, this is the Ethernet jack, and there is optical socket, and these are the RCA audio out, and 3 HDMI are there, 1, 2 and 3. The third number has ARC features in this. That's a nice thing. And I guess this is gonna work, and that's a TV connection. And on this side, this is the AV1 input, AV2 input, and to USB. So there are a lot of connections. That's a nice thing. And at the back, these two are the speakers, very tiny one, 1.5 inch I guess. Anyway, now let's connect the stands and turn the TV on. Alright, so I've mounted the both stands and now it's ready to use. So let's connect to the power outlet and turn this on, and let's see what happens. Alright, so this thing is connected now. You can see the red light over there. So now let's turn this on. Okay, you can see the Kodak logo. Smart TV, nice. Wow, this looks nice. So now I need to connect. And see the Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, so let's try the YouTube. What is up YouTube, welcome back to the technoboy, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this package which I've been delivered today from Amazon. It's a bookshelf speaker package from Taka Harmony. You can see that. Okay. There is the front side of the package. Taka Harmony. The model number is 0B40D2. And has a 6.5 inch woofer and a drum tweeter. At the front side you get 2 earbuds. It's a Kodak Bluetooth speaker. So that's it. So that's my channel on YouTube. You can see the it is running very smooth, but the picture quality is not that great. Maybe the settings, I think. So I'm gonna fix this. Alright, so now you can see my mobile phone even connected to to the TV. It's a Miracast, and you can see that. Here it is. So till now it is working good. So that's it, and the only thing is that I've just gotta adjust the picture, the color contrast and all the stuff, and so that's it. After using a few days, I'll give you a complete review on this product, how it is performing. So till now I found everything working fine, the internet, the Wi-Fi, and the YouTube, and the Miracast, and also I've tried the GeoTV, that is working fine. But I didn't connect anything to AV or AV2 TV, anything, so later I'm gonna do that. Also I connected my wireless keyboard and mouse, and you can see the mouse cursor right below the Kodak logo, so that is also working fine. So that's it, that's all for today. Hope you guys are gonna like the video. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.